To allow sound and vibration alerts for sound notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to allow notification to turn it on. Under alert section, select allow sound and vibration. Now your phone will play notification sound and vibrate when you turn on sound notification, and it detects sound you want notification about, like when a smoke alarm beeps or a doorbell rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.